Welcome to Home of Math, Algebraic Expressions. We already finished part 5. This part, it means part 6, will start from number P. Let's start. This question has 3 fractions. First fraction, 4x square minus 1 divide 3x square plus 10x plus 3. Second one, we divide by 6x square plus 5x plus 1 divide 4x square plus 11x minus 3 times 9x square plus 6x plus 1 divide 8x square minus 6x plus 1. So first fraction we can do like here is 4x square minus 1, we can write 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Why this one? We can write this 4x square, we can write 2x square, and here is minus, and this one we can write 1 square. It means a square minus b square, so we can write like this 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. Then 3x square plus 10x plus 3. So 3 and 3, it will become 9. 9 plus 1 means 10. So we can write like this 3x square plus 9x plus x plus 3, right? Divide. Here is 6 square plus 5x plus 1. So 6 times 1 means 1. So we can write like this 6x square plus 3x plus 2x. 3x plus 2x means 5, and 3 times 2 means 6, then plus 1. Divided 4x square, and here is 4 and here is 3, it will become 12. 12, once we segregate, we can write like this 12x minus x minus 3. 12x minus x, it means 11x, and 12 times 1 means 12. Product, here is 9x square plus 6x plus 1. This one we can write 9x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 1. 3 times 3 means 9. 3x plus 3x means 6x. And here is 8x square minus 6x plus 1. This one we can write like this 8x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 1. 4 times 2 means 8 square 8, and 4x minus 2x means minus 6x. Now 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1, and here we can take common 3x, so x plus 3, and here we can take common plus 1, again x plus 3, divide this one, we can common 3x, so here is 2x plus 1, and common plus 1, so again 2x plus 1, right? And here we can take common 4x, so here is x plus 3 minus 1 common, again x plus 3, times this one we can take common 3x, so here is 3x plus 1, and here we can take common plus 1, so 3x plus 1, and here we can common 4x, so 2x minus 1, minus 1 common, 2x minus 1, right? Now here is 2x plus 1, then 2x minus 1, then x plus 3 times 3x plus 1, and this division sign we can use product sign, so in the fraction will be flip, so we can write x plus 3 and 4x minus 1, and this one is 2x plus 1, then 3x plus 1, right? Times here is 3x plus 1, again 3x plus 1, then here is 2x minus 1, and here is 4x minus 1. So now look, here is 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 out, x plus 3 out, 3x plus 1 3x plus 1 out, 2x minus 1 2x minus 1 out, 4x minus 1 4x minus 1 out, 3x plus 1 3x plus 1 out, finally everything out. So our answer is 1. Very simple, but we have to keep concentration, because if any silly mistake you will get 0. So number P done. This video we will solve another 2 math for simplification, number 2. So which one is Q and R? Q, here is x plus 4 divide 3 minus x minus 2 divide 2. So LCM, 3 and 2 LCM is 6. So here is 2 times x plus 4 minus 3 times x minus 2, right? Then 6, here is 2x plus 8 minus 3x plus 6. So 6, 8 plus 6, it will be 14, and minus 3x plus 2x minus x, and this is our answer. Number R, p cube plus q cube divide p square times 3p minus 3q divide p square minus q square. So first, p cube plus q cube, factorization is p plus q times p square minus pq plus q square, right? Then p square times, here is 3 common, p minus q, divide p square minus q square, we can write p plus q and p minus q. So here is p plus q out, p minus q out, and our answer is 3p square pq plus q square divided p square. So number Q and R done. Therefore, after this video or after this math, we are solving P, Q, R. It means here is simplify, assume all denominators are non-zero. So here by part 6, number 1 and number 2 done. So you will get all part in the description box. So part 6 complete. Here we start from P and finish R. So in this video we are finishing 3 maths. Okay, so next video we will start number 3. Here is also simplification, and here also lots of math, which is A to D, huge math. Once we complete all math, our algebraic expressions practice become very smart. So thank you very much. No more today. If you think this video are helping you, please subscribe.